Hello my friends, it's Chris here from the School of Embodiment, and I'm in our little cafe juice bar Health Nuts, and today I'm going to give you a practice to help you let go of resistance to your experience. Now, the only thing that causes suffering is resistance, and I could say that in a different way. Suffering is resistance. Suffering is the no saying to life. Life is coming at you like this. It's giving you certain experiences and you can't stop that. You can't stop the movement of life. You're not in control of the movement of life. You're not in control of what arises within your awareness. Now, if what arises within your awareness is uncomfortable and you don't want it and you say no to it, that is what is causing your suffering. And that is the only thing that creates the ego. All the ego is, my identity is resistance to our experience. It's a big fat no saying to our experience. When a baby first comes into the world, the baby has very little, if any, ego, and they are so wide open. The experience of a baby, I imagine, is wide open, spacious beingness, this oceanic feeling of oneness. Now, when the baby grows up, the baby starts having experiences of resistance. No, I don't like that. Yes, I like that. No, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. And so when we grow up, we get these no sayings. We grow up to have this chronic no saying to life. So if we want to be free, if we want to let go of the ego, if we want to be awake and connected, if we want to feel that oceanic beingness, like what a baby probably feels, then we need to let go of resistance. So the first way that we let go of resistance is we scan our experience to see where there is anything within us which is resisting. Now, you may feel this in the body as a tightening, a contraction. You may also feel it in the mind as a kind of sense of this mind self which is saying no. Now, as soon as you see that you're resisting your experience, as soon as you see something inside, anything inside, whether it's a feeling or a thought saying no, then you welcome that no saying. You smile at that no saying. You bow to that no saying. You let the no saying come closer to you. Allow your experience to be exactly the way it is. Stop fighting your experience. And if there is something within you fighting your experience, then welcome that one. Open your arms to that one. Open your heart to that one. Smile at that one. Bow to that one. See that one. Really see the one inside that does not like this experience. Really see the one inside which is saying, no, I don't want this experience. See it and say yes to it. Welcome it. Come here, you. I can see you, resistant one. Come here, you. Let it come closer to you. Let it sit on your lap. It's like a young child. Imagine you've got a 10-year-old brother and he's lost at tennis. This was very normal in my family. We played a lot of tennis, me and my brothers. And if any of us lost, we hated it. We would be angry, we'd be upset. So imagine you've got a little brother, a 10-year-old brother, and he's just lost at tennis, and he's in the house, and he's, oh, fuck, I hate it. I'm so resistant to this feeling of defeat and loss. Now, what would you do to that one, to that brother of yours, if you wanted him to feel better? You'd smile at him. you'd laugh. You'd say, hey, come here, bro. Come and sit on your big brother's lap. Let me hold your head. Let me give you a hug. You come here. And you would welcome his no saying. You would welcome his resistance. And in that, he may laugh. In that, he may let go. In that, he may relax. So, the other thing, if we're going down this analogy of a brother who's lost at tennis, I would say he might be really fucking resistant to having lost. And your smiles, your laughter, your whatever might not do it for him. And if that's the case, if you have this holding pattern inside, which even if you're opening to it, even if you're smiling at it, it's still holding on, then that's okay. Can you allow that one to hold on for as long as it wants to? Can you sit there in equanimity whilst there is something inside fighting and in resistance? Can you be the space of equanimity, the big brother, unaffected by the upset, hurt, defeated, resistant one inside, and just be there? You don't have to change it. You don't have to change your experience. And also, can you recognize something within yourself and see if you can sense it now? Recognize something within yourself which is already okay, which is already not fighting your experience. What within you right now does not care about the resistance within you? What within you right now is completely okay with this experience exactly as it is, because what you really are at your core is completely okay, does not resist experience, cannot resist experience. You are already free at your deepest level, at your deepest layer. What you really are is already free. And I'm saying this to you. You are already free. Sense this quiet that's here. Something that's quietly here, smiling. Don't fight with your experience, and be in this place that's okay. Allow yourself to melt into this quiet, subtle place which is okay inside. Thank you for listening. I hope this helped. And we offer one-to-one sessions here at the School of Embodiment. We have online courses, and if you happen to be in the southwest of England, we have this centre here in Stroud where we have upcoming in-person courses.